So we've got the next roadblock to deal with this house build. I've got rocks up in the bush that are deemed too risky to build a house underneath, so that they need to be braced. I got the quote for the bracing of the rocks, and that came in at $80,000. Yes, 80. So that's not really achievable for us. So the next best thing, I'm going to remove the risk of the rocks falling by smashing them. I've bought a jackhammer and a drill and some expanding mortar, and I'm going to give it a go, but I've never done anything like this, and they're really big rocks. So this is done. Expando comes in 4 of these packs. Just mix it with water, pour it in the holes, and apparently it says 3 days maximum pressure is reached and the rocks will be cracked. So let's give it a go. What a huge win. I am so relieved that actually worked. I did not think it was going to. I had to do that to 3 rocks, so reduce half the mass, put a nice big flat face on them, and the geotech's happy. It took me about 50, 60 hours, not quite sure, I wasn't really calculating it, but the Expando worked amazing. Like, I wasn't even drilling the holes anywhere near deep enough as what I should have, and it still worked. So, great stuff. All in all, my arm is killing me, but we got the result. I'm gonna have a little break. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it.